guys, I'm David Aaron Decker, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few little hints and tips on your 80cc or 66cc motorised bike. Now, a lot of people, they keep asking me on my channel, what is the white wire for from the Magneto? So basically this white wire will generate enough power to power a 6-volt light for your headlight or your tail light on the back. But what I've opted for is a 12-volt battery. And obviously it's not just powerful enough to power your headlights, but obviously you can get a 12-volt radio as well, and then obviously charge your phone if you're out and about and you haven't got any charge. So what I would suggest is obviously doing this as well, because it doesn't really cost that much, and obviously for weight it doesn't really weigh that much either. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, comment and share, and also remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy. I decided to make a 12-volt wiring loom for my bike, as this will protect all of the wires and connections during all of the weathers. This is simply made up from different lengths of wire run down from the handlebars onto a junction box and then fed from the 12-volt battery. I've secured all of the relevant wires into place and applied the heat shrink over the top, not just to neaten it up, but to ensure that there is no arc in between any metal part or wire protruding. The battery I've selected to use is a small scooter 12-volt with 3.2 amp hours, which is secured into place on the pannier rack. This battery will allow me to have 6 to 8 hours of light or 3 to 4 hours of radio, plus it will have more than enough to give me a full phone charge or use a sat nav to get home. With this waterproof radio and speakers, it really does make riding on small or large journeys more fun. When I bought the kit, I found that they only supplied me with 2 speakers, so I bought a second pair that adapted full surround sound. Now having 4 speakers, you can listen to your music at every angle when riding, or even parked up somewhere nice. Having a cigarette lighter attachment will really help, as it can be used to charge your sat nav when you're on the move. It also has a built-in USB for charging your cameras, phones, tablets and many other devices as well. I found that when searching online for a headlight under 12 volt, the results were very misleading. I'd done some research about this particular one and discovered that it had run for a longer time and it was very bright still. When installing high powered lights, please remember to learn about the energy usage that this will cause to your battery. After I found the headlight, I ordered 2 12-volt bullet LED lights for the back, as these are not just great on power from the battery, but they're really bright, especially at night. These were not just a great deal for the price, but was very easy to install and wire up. Installing a junction box along with kill switches allows me to utilise and to cut off or turn on whatever I need at the time. Plus the kill switches will light up when the lights or accessories will be working. This will have wires fed in from the items on the handlebars and then fed to the battery. I thought I would go the extra bit, so I spoke to a seller on eBay who made number plates at different sizes for motorbikes. After the item turned up, I made a backing plate to protect it out of galvanised steel and then fit it into place after powder coating. When I first brought my frames from Bikeberry, I was very happy with the finish, but I wanted something that did not scratch or damage as quick. I understand that they have nice finishes on the frames, and they do look amazing when fully assembled, but I've done cellulose spraying for many years and thought I wanted to go something a bit more tougher and still a great finish. Now that I have both of my BBR tuning frames powder coated, I know that the finish will last forever, plus look nice in all the seasons to come. The positive things what I've noticed is that I had 3 different types of metals that I give to the sandblasters and powder coaters, and the finish was amazing with no priming or etching or fillers, just stripped, then cleaned, then powder coated, and then also baked in an oven to seal everything. Just remember when riding at any time to wear the correct clothes, as this could save many injuries. Also be careful of oil and ice on the road. Plus if it's windy, wear proper eye protection to avoid any hazards you might encounter. Alright then guys, so that was another video from me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please remember to comment, like and share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Take care guys, cheers.